In this video, I will show you how to find and replace in Microsoft Word document. So click on this replace, and in the find word, type any word letter which you need to find. Like in my case, I want to find this word and replace with this dummy text. I want to replace this one with this. You can replace one by one, or you can replace all in your document. You don't need to select, just type what you want to find and replace with any word or letter. Then click on replace or replace all. And once you click on this more, there are some more options you can use here. So this is the way you can use.